Did you know that 38% of online shoppers will leave your site if they find the design unattractive? That's nearly 4 out of every 10 potential customers gone before they even see your products. And unattractive doesn't just mean ugly, it means confusing, untrustworthy, or difficult to use. Research shows it takes only 50 milliseconds for a user to form an opinion about your website. A literal blink of an eye. This means your Shopify store design could be costing you thousands in lost sales without you even realizing it. But here's the good news. You can fix it. In this video, we'll break down how to design a Shopify store that not only looks incredible, but converts visitors into loyal customers. We'll cover the key elements, common mistakes, and the expert tips to take your site from average to absolutely irresistible. Shopify powers millions of stores worldwide, from startups to global brands. But here's the hard truth. Having a store isn't enough. You're competing with millions of others. And in this crowded marketplace, design is your ultimate differentiator. To succeed, your design must master 3 critical functions: attract, engage, and convert. Let's break that down. First, attract is about that initial impression. It's the visual handshake that stops the scroll and earns a few more seconds of their attention. Next, engage is about the journey. Once you have their attention, you keep it with intuitive navigation and compelling content. Finally, convert is the destination. This is where you turn a curious visitor into a paying customer by creating a seamless and trustworthy path to purchase. A great Shopify design isn't just about pretty colors, it's a strategic tool. It's the silent salesperson that works for you 24/7. So, let's break down the essential ingredients, starting with the roadmap of your store, navigation and information architecture. If visitors can't find what they need in a few clicks, they'll go elsewhere. Information architecture, or IA, is the science of organizing your content so users can find things with minimal effort. Your navigation should feel intuitive. Use clear, simple labels. Men's footwear is always better than gentlemen's journeys. A powerful, predictive search bar is also non-negotiable, as many users prefer to search. For larger stores, consider a mega menu that displays multiple categories at once, and always use a sticky header that keeps the navigation and search bar visible as users scroll. The goal is to make getting around your store feel effortless. Next, let's talk mobile. Over 70% of all Shopify traffic comes from mobile devices. It's the standard. If your site doesn't look great or load fast on mobile, you're losing money. This means adopting a mobile-first mindset. Don't just design for desktop and hope it shrinks down. Design for the small screen first. Think about the thumb zone, the area of the screen easily reached with one hand. Place your most important buttons, like Add to Cart and Checkout, within this zone. The easiest way to ensure this is to use Shopify themes built with mobile-first principles. Test your site on your own phone. Is it easy to navigate? Are the buttons big enough to tap? Does it load in under 3 seconds? If not, you have work to do. Now, let's talk about personality. Your design is your brand's voice, the feeling customers get when they land on your page. Consistent colors, fonts, and imagery build instant trust and recognition. When every page feels like it belongs to the same family, it creates a sense of professionalism. A chaotic, mismatched design subconsciously signals that the business is just as disorganized. The rule of thumb is to stick to 2 to 3 brand colors, and no more than 2 fonts. Use one primary color for your main calls to action, a secondary for accents, and a neutral for backgrounds. For fonts, choose one for headings that has personality, and another, highly readable font, for body text. This simple consistency is a powerful trust signal. Now that you know the theory, let's talk about how to actually create a great design in Shopify. Your journey begins with choosing a theme. A theme is the foundation of your entire store, so choosing the right one is critical. Here are some crowd favorites we recommend. First, Dawn. It's free, and it's Shopify's own reference theme. This means it's clean, minimal, and lightning fast, built on the latest best practices. It's perfect for beginners or stores with smaller catalogs. Next, Impulse. This is a paid theme, and it's a powerhouse for brands with large catalogs and high-volume sales. It's packed with features like advanced filtering, collection page promotions, and quick view options. And finally, Symmetry. This paid theme is perfect for visually rich stores that rely on lifestyle photography, like fashion or home decor brands. It excels at visual storytelling with beautiful full-width image and video sections. Once you've chosen your theme, you can customize it like a pro, no coding required. First, use Shopify's drag-and-drop builder. This allows you to add, remove, and rearrange sections on your pages easily, like building blocks for your store. Next, strategically add trust badges and social proof. This includes secure payment logos, customer testimonials, and product reviews. These are crucial for boosting conversions, so place them near your Add to Cart buttons and in your checkout. And most importantly, keep your homepage focused. It should have a clear hierarchy. Start with a compelling hero image and a single call to action. Then, guide users to your top products or collections. Don't try to say everything at once. Even experienced store owners make design mistakes that kill conversions. Let's look at the most common pitfalls and how to fix them. The number one mistake is visual clutter. Too many banners or pop-ups overwhelm visitors and create decision paralysis. The fix? Keep it simple. Embrace white space to create focus and a feeling of calm. The second mistake is low-quality product photography. Bad lighting or blurry images instantly cheapen your brand. The fix is non-negotiable. Invest in high-quality images. Use natural light, shoot against a uniform background, and show multiple angles of your product. Mistake number 3, slow load times. Each extra second of load time can drop conversions by up to 7%. The fix involves a few key actions. Compress your images before uploading, using a tool like TinyPNG. Regularly audit your Shopify apps and remove any you aren't using. And test your site speed with tools like Google Page Speed Insights. And the final common mistake is brand inconsistency. Using random fonts and colors makes your store look untrustworthy. The fix is simple. Create a one-page brand style guide with your logo, color codes, and font choices, and apply it religiously across all pages and marketing. At the end of the day, your Shopify store is your digital storefront and the face of your brand. Every design choice you make, from a button color to your homepage speed, affects whether customers decide to buy from you. So here's your action plan. Take an honest look at your store. Audit your design against the principles we've discussed. Simplify your layout, clarify your message, and make it flawlessly mobile ready. Above all, focus every decision on creating a better user experience. Because when your design works for your customer, everything else follows. More trust, higher engagement, and bigger sales. We know this can feel like a lot. If you're short on time or design expertise, doing it yourself can lead to costly mistakes. That's why you can delegate to verified Shopify optimization experts. They can help you set up your store correctly, drive more qualified traffic, and optimize your design to boost your sales and conversion rate. It's an investment in getting it right the first time. Check the description below for the link to our recommended Shopify design experts for 2025. Your Shopify store has the potential to become a powerful, automated sales machine that works for you around the clock. Don't just build it, design it to convert. Thank you for watching. Now go make your store brilliant.